Hello everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there. And welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you and let's learn more deeply about the color grading in Capcut. And here I'm using my device is Vivo Y17s and this is the look of the Capcut that I already opened, and make sure you have already installed it from your Play Store or the App Store. And what is actually the color grading? When and what is it for? So this tool or the color grading, this can help you to modify or adjust and also enhancing the color and the tones of your video to achieve the specific look or the mood. And it is also commonly used in the video editing to give the footage of a cinematic style, improve the visual consistency, and also the emotion, or I mean, the convey the emotion of your video. And what is the tool, or what are the tools for the color grading? To make it easier to imagine, I will give you the example, and here I already prepare the video to try on the color grading. I will click this video. There you go. This is the look when you already upload the video from your device, and usually in CapCut there are the ending video about the remarks about this CapCut application. Then you can actually delete or just keep it on this. Well, let's get into the color grading. The first the first tool that we can use for this color grading is, don't forget to click this video. And as you can see here, there are several menu and tools to use, and we will scroll it to the left until you find these two tools, adjust and filters. So the first one, I will click the adjust. What is adjust? So with adjust, you can manually control the fine tuning look. And the common option of this adjust are auto adjust, color match, color correction. These three options that contains the, as you can see here, there are diamond on it. It's the is for the pro or the upgraded version of this CapCut. And the common tools for the adjust is the brightness, contrast, saturation, brilliance, sharpness, clarity, HSL, graph, color wheel, and many more. Let's say if I try to modify or try to change the brightness, then I will click this brightness. And let's say I will modify or adjust the brightness to the left, then the brightness will be reduced a little bit. And what if I try to move the contrast to the right, then the brightness will be increased here. And what if I try to click the contrast? Well, the contrast will help you to make this video more sharp or give you the very detail of the picture. As you can see here, if you move your toggle here to the left, then the contrast will less detail of its color. And if I move it to the right, then it will show you the opposite. The color will more upgraded or more tone up. Let's say I will try to click this saturation. There you go. The color can be enhanced and more look natural, And if I move the toggle to the left, then the color of this video can be less natural and slightly turn to the gray. And brilliant, let's say. It slightly give you the brightness but in different way. As you can see here, the sky color, when I adjust the brilliance, the sky turns more blue. What if I give it the combination of the brilliance here -15 and the saturation is in 25? There you go, the color more enhanced, if you as you can see here. And let's move on to the filters. Let's say I will try this filter. As you can see, there are a lot of feature in filters. Let's say I will choose this green lake, and what will be changed. Press and hold on to see the version. There you go. The color can be more, let's say, more cinematic. And what if I play in the entire video? There you go. The skies turn really blue, and the leaf of this plantation can be more really green. Please don't forget to experiment it by yourself, because the ones you already know about every single tools and the facility here, you can be more expert and you can be the master to do the video editing. That's all guys. I hope this video is slightly helpful for you, and if you have any requests or is there any feedback for this video, please don't forget to put it on a comment down below, and I would love to see your comments there. And if you find this video helpful and you would like to know more or see or watch another tutorial video, don't forget to subscribe this channel and like this video. I hope you have a good day, and I'll see you in another video. Thank you for watching.